Welcome back, weirdos. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. So y'all know how I feel about the BTArtbox extensions. If you don't know, I love them. And hi, if you're new. I wanted to grab these though. They are from BTArtbox and these are press-on nails. Essentially, they're like extensions that are already pre-designed. And I'm like, how cool would it be if these are amazing? And if you're having one of those days where you really want to have nails and not have the time to do them, I wonder if this would be a good option. So I figured I'd pick up a couple of them and play around with it and see how they look on, if they look like natural nails, if they look horrible, and also if they last. And I'm going to give you updates throughout the video so you can see exactly what my experience was like the entire time I was wearing these press-on nails. The designs are beautiful. They have a bunch on Amazon. I'll make sure to leave everything linked down below for you. These are so freaking cute. They're so my jam. The colors, the design, I love it all so much. It comes with the extensions. It comes with a glue. Didn't realize it came with other stuff too, but there are things underneath this box that are going to fall out into my lap here very shortly. So I'm just gonna see how they would fit in my natural nails. Now, my nail beds, as most of you might know from what you can see at least, are on the larger side. I have really long nail beds. I have really wide thumbs, so sometimes it can be a struggle finding extensions that really fit me well, but the BTArtbox has never done me wrong so far, and this is no exception. I found my sizes pretty quickly. They fit beautifully. I didn't have to do a whole lot of work to anything, which I really appreciate. If you need to, you can totally file around the cuticle area or on the sidewalls if you want to, just to make them custom fit perfect for you. But these fit me beautifully, and here, as you can see, it also comes with a file, an orange wood stick. It comes with the adhesive tabs. Now, these tabs, y'all, okay, so I've used some adhesive tabs in the past. I tend to like these better because I can pop nails off and not have to fuss with like nail glue and soak offs and all that stuff. And if you look at these tabs, mind you, I have very, very long nail beds. These tabs actually fit my nail beds. I immediately messaged my PR rep over at BTArtbox. Now, mind you, it did not send me over these things. I bought these with my own money, but I have worked with BTArtbox in the past, so I reached out to her and I'm like, hey, I'm going to need you to start selling these separately because they are life and I need them all. So if you're wondering about the mani on my left hand, I'm not sure if it's uploaded yet, but if it is, I'll leave it up in the cards for you guys. So we're going to get started on prepping my natural nail and getting these on. I don't like doing a whole lot of prep to my natural nail. I have very dry nail beds, so I tend not to have lifting issues. So I'm not going to do a whole lot. My nails are clean. They are being buffed just to remove the shine, nothing crazy. And then we're going to start applying the tabs. I'm not going to use the glue. If you want to use the glue, you are more than welcome to. But I'm going to use the adhesive tabs just to see how they lay on the nail, how the nail fits on the nail, how the tip fits on my nail with it on, and how they wear. So if that's something you want to hear more about, stick around because I'm going to give you all the tea coming up towards the end of the video. So I'm going to go ahead and start getting these on the nails. The tabs are super easy to use. They are kind of sandwiched in between plastic, so you have to take off the top layer and then you just peel off the tab. And you can put it either on your nail directly or you can put it on the inside of the extension. It's really a personal preference thing. I'm going to go ahead and get the tabs on and the nails on, and then we're going to see how they're looking and how they wear. So nail number one, I did apply a little bit of pressure just to make sure there was a good adhesion from the press-on to the tab and the tab to my nail. These are sturdy AF. They're not going anywhere. They feel very secure. And look how flush that is to my natural nail. I was really quite impressed. The BTArtbox extensions are not quite as flush. These are much thinner than the extensions. Don't get me wrong though, these are sturdy and they hold up really, really well, as you're going to see again towards the end of the video. So I'm just going to press on, literally, and get the rest of these press-ons attached to my phalanges, and we're gonna conduct a little bit of a wear test. Now, granted, can I do a super long wear test on these? No, because I have to film. You know, I can't just leave nails on forever. Y'all would be wondering where I went for weeks. But I did give these a solid week. I said I'm going to give this a solid week. I'm not going to touch them, but I'm going to go about my normal business, and we're just going to see how it goes. And I will show you the removal as well, again, towards the end of the video. So these are really working out well so far. I'm not having any issues. They feel very secure on my nails. They're applying beautifully. As you can see, they're super flush, as mentioned. I'm really kind of shooky a little bit. And now I have already ordered all the other press-ons that they make on Amazon, because if I'm having one of those days where I just, I'm rocking naked nails because I'm in between filming and I want to have nails for a couple of days or whatever, I'm going to put on press-ons or the Danny Tony nail wraps, because I love those too. But if I'm in a long nail mood, and they do have different shapes and different sizes, check out their Amazon. But if I'm just in the mood for extensions and I don't feel like doing a whole lot of work that day, these might be my new go-to for having cute nails without a whole lot of effort. So I don't know. I think I kind of love them, but we're going to see how they wear. So here's the side profile of the nails. As you can see, I really wanted to show you how thin they are, how beautiful the shape is. I don't know if you've seen a lot of these almond press-on type nails. They have like an eagle talon, like a hook at the end. These are not like that. They're very much like their extensions. They're nice and straight on the sidewalls. I am going to buff off this little bitty nublet that's at the front of most press-on nails, I guess. Literally the only modification I had to do to these. But they are, again, I know I sound like a broken record, but I can't believe how flush they sit on my nail to my cuticle area. I have showed these nails to so many people. No one believed they were press-ons. What is my cat doing? Cat found bubble wrap, apparently. So here's some original audio of what they actually sound like. They don't sound thin, they don't sound cheap, they don't sound like they're gonna fly off my nails or break. So we're gonna conduct the wear test starting now. Day 2. 0 issues, 0 lifting. These are not budging. Nothing. Look how seamless that is. I cannot. I'm literally obsessed. I know, it's only day 2. Stay tuned. So I'm fast forwarding over here to day 6, only because I had a very uneventful few days. Nothing happened. All the nails are intact. I have been washing my hair, washing my hands 800 times a day. I've been scrubbing dry shampoo in my hair. So I've been living my normal life, and these are solid, and I'm almost concerned that now they're not going to come off. I mean, first world problems, right? So here we are. We have made it to day 7, almost 8. It's nighttime on day 7. So I've had these on for an entire week. Nothing has moved. Nothing has moved. And we're going to try to do a removal. Now, these adhesive tabs are literally no joke. They are so sticky. So I'm being very, very gentle. I'm just sliding my orange wood stick kind of in between my nail and that adhesive, and I'm going to ease these off my nails. The goal is to get the press-ons off intact. I'd like to use them again if possible. So we're going to see if I can make that happen. And as you can see, again, I know I look aggressive. I might look aggressive, but I'm actually being quite gentle and easing that off, because I also don't want to cause nail damage. I don't want to break the press on, but I also don't want to cause damage. So just super gentle with the orange wood stick. I did find out later that the tabs tend to dissolve in acetone. So if you need to put a little acetone in here to release the adhesive, you can totally do that. But the acetone will also eat away at your press-on nail because it's plastic, and like all extensions are. So if you want to maintain your extensions, your press-ons, you might want to skip the acetone. But as you can see, that popped off beautifully. I have no nail damage, and there is adhesive left on the nail. Super easy fix though. I'm just going to grab me some of my Onyx acetone, my favorite acetone ever, and a paper towel, and I'm going to cleanse the nail and get rid of that sticky residue. So I'm going to go ahead and remove all of the nails and clean them up a little bit, rehydrate them, and we'll be on to the next manicure. So I went ahead and I removed all of the press-on nails. Now I'm just cleaning off my nails. There's a little bit of that sticky, tacky residue. So I'm just going to make sure I get as much of that off as possible. And then all I have to do is put on a little cuticle oil and my nails are back to my nails. And all the press-ons are intact. I am so impressed. I am so glad that I went ahead and ordered these. I'm so glad I ordered all of them. Literally every single design and shape they had. I can't wait to try more of them. You guys will have to let me know down below if you've tried these press-ons or if it's something you might be into. And if you have tried them, let me know what your experience was. Or if you have other press-on recommendations, I'd love to hear about them, because why not expand your horizons and try all the things? I hope you guys found this interesting, helpful, useful, entertaining, something. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button so I know that you liked it and I can make more content like this for you. Thank you guys for spending a little bit of your day with me today. I super appreciate that. I hope the rest of your day is as beautiful as you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Love you. Bye.